you just mentioned it. You're in a hyper growth kind of organization as private equity owned, right? So how do you view that scaling of human capital, right? When do you make the decision of what to insource versus what to outsource?
Yeah, so my approach on that, whether it's been a BluSky restoration or whether it's been building custom software, I try to use the principle: is it a business differentiator for us, or is it more commoditized? And while there's always exceptions to that rule, that's been a pretty good guideline for me. So for instance, at BluSky Restoration, we outsource our help desk. Whereas the support and configuration of our critical business applications, they're very specific to BluSky. They're very specific to our business processes, and we hire great people to work for us to own and drive those things forward.